everybody, it's me Sissy. Countdown to Christmas, week 16. Okay, it's getting closer y'all, 16. I think this video, by the time it goes up, it's going to be 15. So let me hurry up and get this one done and start on the next one. But anyway, this is not so much a DIY as how to package some of the things you can get from the Dollar Tree and make a really nice gift. So as you can tell from this one, it must be going to be a movie night. But anyway, they have these great little popcorn containers at the Dollar Tree, and then you can get the matching little individual popcorn holders. So we're just going to tuck those in the bag here. We're going to prop those up in a minute. And then I just have assorted movie related things. I got a big bag of, actually I got this from Aldi's I believe, but they do have pre-pop popcorn in the Dollar Tree, so you can grab a bag of that, or whatever movie snacks the recipient of this gift might like. I got Cracker Jacks, some microwave popcorn, and then a few assorted boxes of candy if my son didn't eat them. I see Sour Patch Kids. I thought there was some Milk Duds, but maybe he ate those. But whatever kind of candy you want, you can put in here. But all you got to do is package it, kind of stack it in here, and make it look nice. So we're just going to put a box of the microwave popcorn down here in the bottom, the little matching containers on the top, stick the big bag of popcorn in the back. There you go, get that nice. And let's see, box of candy in this one. Now if I had another box of candy, I could stick it in here. Let me go see if I can find that box of candy, but I did find some little animal crackers, and they have the packs of cookies. You can just kind of stuff that down in there, and then you can add your boxes of Cracker Jacks. And I mean, you can put whatever kind of candy your person likes. Or you can put no candy. I mean, that's completely up to you. But I just thought it made it look a little nicer, like they were getting more of a surprise than. Put that up the right way. And then you can stick it. They do have movies at the Dollar Tree. These movies did not come from the Dollar Tree. These are some of my movies. But you can kind of tuck those in the box too, so they're sticking up and they can see what they're getting. Then they have all kind of candy and suckers, and you could even put some cups in here, some bottles of drink, a couple bottles of root beer, and you've got a nice little gift for any kid or teenager. And to me, I think they would appreciate it more than a $10 gift card to Walmart. So I mean, well, I know a lot of people doing their videos, they always ask a question, so I'm going to steal that and do that in mine. And since this is a countdown to Christmas, which would you prefer? Would you prefer a store-bought gift thrown in a gift bag, which is nothing wrong with that, I do that all the time too, a homemade gift, or a gift card? I'm not a gift card person. I would rather, it's kind of silly, I would rather have something I don't want that somebody picked out for me than a gift card that they grabbed at the register. That's just me. But what do you do? What does your family do? Do y'all exchange names? And I know one year my ex-in-laws, we exchanged names, and then we sat there very awkwardly for 20 minutes at Christmas handing everybody a gift card, and everybody else handed each other a gift card. We should have just kept our money and not done anything. That would have been fine with me. But anyway, that was a sad another life. But anyway, and then in my family, the best Christmas we ever had was the year that we did. You couldn't buy a gift. Everything had to be made. So that was some very creative, funny, it was a good time. So maybe you want to try that for your Christmas. Everything made. Even the people who can't make anything, you know, they tried. At least they tried, and it was funny, and we had a great time. So. But anyway, let me stick this in a gift bag. They have the nice basket bags you can get at the Dollar Tree. So, and they come two in a thing. So all I'm going to do is slide this in the bag, tie it with some pretty ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and then for my gift tag, since this is a bigger present, This is a Christmas card that I got last year after Christmas sale, and I just stuck a little pom-pom on top of the gift card where there was a picture of one on the thing, just to kind of make it three-dimensional and a little more dressed up. Anyway, I'm going to hang that on the front. So let me get that all bagged up and I'll show it to you. So we've got our basket in the bag here, and we're just going to, I like to gather it up at the top. And then I don't like when these sides stick out like this, so before I tie the top, I'm just going to take the side, kind of pull it to the back, and stick it down with a piece of Scotch tape. Now, I put, this is just for decoration, you know, to show you, give you an idea of sticking a movie in here. Another thing you can do, if you don't know what particular kind of movie that your person may like, then that is okay to give them a gift card for that. Stick in a gift card for $5 or $10, or, you know, they do have Dollar Tree gift cards. You could give, if you wanted to get some movies from the Dollar Tree, that's good too. You could get that. Or you could give a 1-month subscription to Netflix or Amazon, you know, whatever, however they like to watch their movies. Anyway, we're going to do that, and then I like to secure it with a twist tie, just to make it easier for them to open, especially if you're giving to children. I just twist it around. Then I'm going to stick my card on. Alright, I punched a little hole in the top with just a hole punch. And just tie that around, and then we're going to put a bow on it. And then we'll be done. That'll be your... Now, if you don't want to do the popcorn containers, they have all kind of containers at the dollar store. If you wanted to do it for a teacher, you could just get one of the baskets and then put school supplies in it, or you could do toiletries, beauty supplies for a teenage girl, hair supplies. I mean, a gift basket is a great thing to give. So, I know my countdown to Christmas, I try to make everything different, but I am a big gift basket person. I love a gift basket. I love to make gift baskets, and I love to get gift baskets. And I just want to say to the, somebody said something that was not quite kind. I don't know if they meant it kindly or they meant it funny or whatever, but somebody told my sister that she ought not watch my videos because she was going to see everything she was going to get for Christmas. And that kind of hurt my feelings. Not that it's not true, because I do show a lot of the stuff that I make for her, because she's my sister and I make stuff for her, but I don't know if they meant it funny or they meant it ugly. So be careful what you say, because that stuff gets back to people. And it did hurt my feelings when I heard it, and then I decided that they meant it a nice way, so that's just the way I'm going to take it. Anyway, Melanie, my sister's Melanie, this is not for you. So, but anyway, I just doubled my ribbon, and I got this ribbon at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to tie a bow on here. And there we go. We've got our movie night gift basket. Easy as that. Countdown to Christmas, y'all. I Googled it a while ago, and it is actually 15 weeks and 6 days, but this is my week 16. Week 15 is coming up. I actually will be filming it right after this one, so you might even get 2 in one day. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. But anyway, Merry Christmas, countdown, get out, start buying your stuff, get ready, because it's coming. Bye, everybody.